सामान को कैबिन के ऊपरी सामान कक्ष में या सामने वाली कुर्सी के नीचे
Touching toward the sky like I don't care. Wishing you could see me standing there, but I'm a sunflower. Have a clue. The sunflower's waiting for you, waiting for you.
Jesus. Oh, that's it. Thank you. Alright, I don't think you can see me, but you can hear me for sure. Quite smashed. Just got back from my uncle's house and I had a couple of drinks, actually 5 drinks with him. Now I'm gonna go meet my buds for another round of drinks. Quite hammered, like you can see. Let's go. That's them. What's up, what's up, what's up?
Did you mean the Jeet main road or this main road, right?
Yeah, this main road, yeah.
Fuck, man, sorry.
I can give you what you need.
Wow!
1 minute, stop.
No idea what's happening. Don't worry about it.
Go, take him down, take him down.
Hey Ziggy. Hi Ziggy. Hey. What's going on, huh? Bye. What's up, what's up? Just turn around there.
This apartment doesn't show up in Google Maps, man.
Which one? Le Meridien?
Yeah.
It goes to Bangalore.
I've never explored this side of town ever, man, in my life. What is this area?
Bandar.
So is Bandar like the docks or something or what?
Yeah, near the docks, yeah.
This is one of the oldest port.
Like
One of the
meals ready. I don't mind getting like a
Power chambers.
this area, dock area.
like this dock is older than the Bombay docks.
Yes. This is where Arabs used to come. This is much older than Islam itself.
Yeah?
Price college.
No way. Then why hasn't Mangalore progressed?
You know, do you want to see India's second oldest mosque?
Uh-huh.
I want to go there, man, inside. I haven't been.
Yeah.
Do you guys want to see?
I'm cool.
Okay, we'll go. I'm not sure if you can go with the shorts.
No, you can't go with shorts. They have-
India's second oldest mosque is here.
Wow.
Can you beat that? That's, you know, how old is that? 1000. It was built in 600 AD.
No, do you mean
600 AD?
Yeah, when that Muhammad died, no?
Right.
6 years, 70 years after that, this was built.
like India's or Asia's or the world's or India's?
India's.
Okay.
Older than Pakistan also.
I mean, anything is older than Pakistan, man. Like my grandfather might be older than Pakistan.
This is behind the scenes footage. And myself was trying to record something. Yeah, this is
Hey, don't run.
choosing this mutton to which
Okay, since I'm going out, like a quick shot of the oldest mosque. Third oldest mosque. I'm gonna get something to drink. You guys want anything? Yeah. You know, in all my years, having grown up in the city, never been to this side of town. Ever. Vintage, old buildings.
different world only.
It does, man.
I came to pick up one active. You reminded me of Forest Gump.
Yeah. Cheers. Bye. Alright, if you guys are wondering what I'm doing in Mangalore, I'm here to renew my passport. That's where I'm from. That's where my place is. Which is why I'm in a shirt and pants and I'm out of breath. Okay, bye. Passport office. Where people have their preferences. Passport office. Yo, I just got done with my passport appointment and I'm now heading to meet my uncle, the fish whisperer. Yeah, that took like all of 2 hours. Hope the documents go through quick and I get my passport soon. Right. Kaprigudda. What is it? Kaprigudda. KFC hostel. Sorry. Right side of the catch up. Hampi, wait. ನಾನೇ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ What's Uncle Sunil doing? That's my mom trying to guide me with my driving, and I've got a GoPro on one hand and she's panicking. It's funny when people give you tips. Okay. Ziggy. Hey. Go. Go. Look at the fucking rains. Stay there. Good boy. Ah. Giggy. Hi. Yay. Hi. Hi. Okay, good boy. Bye, Mom.
Bye. Afterwards, call me, yeah?
Yeah, after before boarding, no? Bye. Listen, I love you, alright? I love you, and I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Yeah, it is. Thanks. Sorry.